Excel. Okay, this video is for class 6 practical, the one that will be held soon. Okay, over there we will create a mark sheet for the students. Okay, I will try to add a heading. Okay, and then marks for 4 subject of 3 students, and then we will add those marks using not function, rather formula. So what I have to do is, for heading, I don't want to write heading in a single cell like this. Rather, I would like to merge the cell. I'll select the cell in this way. You can use mouse or you can use keyboard. If you want to use keyboard, you will have to use shift and arrow key. Shift or right arrow, then down arrow. I am not going for that. I have selected. Now right click, format cells, alignment. Here both you will have to give center, and then wrap the text and merge cell. Merge cell will make all the cells together and it will be one single cell. Wrap text, if you want to write in 2 lines in one single cell, wrap text will help you. And I want all the text into center, that's why horizontally center and vertically center. I want to put a border for the cells, so I just have clicked on border. I'll click on outline and then OK. So I got one single cell with a border. I want the text a little bigger, so instead of 12, let me make it 20. Here I'll write on the heading. I'll write on the school name. Okay, and then I'll write down MT class 6. If you write down your section name, I have written A. I want this one the second line from MT, so bring the cursor before MT and press spacebar. Once it will go to the, it will cross the border, it will come down. So my job is done, this one. Now I'll write down the heading here. Heading is done. I'll write down the field name. So the first one I want to write the student ID, and then I want name. I want the subject name DT, and then science, and then math, maybe Bangla. That's it. I don't want to write more. It will take more time. Now my heading is done. Okay, now I'll write down the student number. I'm not writing for 5 students, I'm writing for 3 to make you guys understand. Here, let's say first name is Ali Muhammad. Second one is, let's say, Abu Talib. And second one is any name I have written. See, the first name crossed the line. I want a bigger cell. So what I have to do, bring the mouse pointer here at the border and drag it as much as you want. So it's done. Now I'll write down the marks, as it ICT is for 50 marks, so I have given marks like this. Science is for 100, so I have given marks like this. Math, this one, we did not do good in math, so Bangla, this, okay. So my marks entry is done. Now I would like to find out total. For total, I'll use formula. As you guys are in class 6, I'll use formula. I don't want to use function here. So first thing and must, you will have to give equal. Then you need to click the numbers plus this cell plus this plus this. All 4 subjects I have added. And then enter. Once you press on enter, it has been added. Select the cell, bring the mouse pointer at the right bottom corner. If I bring it right bottom corner, I'll get a black plus sign. Then hold left mouse button and drag towards down. So added. It's been done. Now if I want to give a border here, select here, all borders. If you want to make it bigger, change the size. If you want all the text into the center, go for alignment and click here. As you can see, there is a problem with the heading. Empty has gone up, so I'll bring the mouse cursor here, and with the spacebar I'll push it. It has gone. So that's it.